Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to show one new technique, a simple one. Without using blackboard or whiteboard, we can teach the classes, online classes, online classes with help of transparent glass sheet. So if you take a big transparent glass sheet and make it a certain height on the support of two sides, so then use that your smartphone with selfie camera. So on top of the glass slab, if you write like this, glass slab, so in this way, if you write this one, if you see backside, it will be like a rear view. Like when you see in the plane mirror, left is appear as right, right is appear as left. So this will be converted with the help of the selfie camera. This reverse letters will be converted into straightforward letters with help of the selfie camera. So for that purpose, we have to use the selfie camera in this. Without using board, we can teach online classes or you can record the video classes also, right? So here for this we need only one transparent glass sheet and marker pen. Even you can use that sketch pen also. If you use the sketch pen, we can write small letters. With help of the sketch pen, we can use with help of the sketch pen we can write the small letters so that more content can be present in the given space. Okay, so friends, all of you follow this one and it will be useful those who are teaching online classes and those who are planning to record videos for the YouTube or whatever it may be for your reference purpose. You can use this technique. The main requirements for this technique is nothing but only transparent glass slab and marker, this smartphone with selfie camera. Okay, we have to keep this glass slab at certain height, both sides with support certain height, and under the glass slab we have to keep the this smartphone with rear camera. That's it. On top of the glass slab, so simply we can write this whatever the content you are going to present, that you can write on the glass slab. It will be recorded in this straightforward. Okay, thank you.